A lot of you guys are watching the markets today and you're thinking, why is everything moving apart from Jasmy? In today's video, we're going to look into some key information for Jasmy and we're going to try and figure out when the next leg is expected for Jasmy. But before we get into that, guys, make sure all of you have smashed that subscribe button. We are pumping today. Bitcoin is at 72k. We haven't got much time to be wasting now, guys. So if you want to make sure you're keeping up with all of the alpha on this channel, you have to be subscribed. Let's get into Jasmy. Happy Monday, guys. Bow, 36 days until the Bitcoin halving. 89 on the fear and greed index. Still in extreme greed. We've been in extreme greed for like 2 weeks now. I think it was. We entered it about 2 weeks ago. But listen, coming up to a month until the halving, and we are having a serious lead up until that halving. Bitcoin at 72.5k, Ethereum at 4k and holding. $500 billion market cap for Ethereum. Now, it's been a crazy roller coaster of emotions over like the past week, guys, and you already know what's been the narrative that has been pumping. It has been AI coins that had been pumping. Now, what you guys are going to start to realize is that in these bull runs, it's not just you buy something and then it pumps up all the way to the all-time high and then you sell it. It doesn't work like that, guys. We have to go up in legs, consolidate, go up in legs, consolidate, and we are in a consolidation for Jasmy right now. So while you're seeing a lot of these other coins be doing, ridiculous gains, or XRP's up 20%, or certain other coins are up 20, 30, 40% in a day, and you're looking at Jasmy and you're thinking, well, why is Jasmy not moving? You have to remember what Jasmy just experienced. If we come to the monthly chart, guys, you're going to see we started off at half a cent, right? In the beginning of February, end of January, beginning of February. We're now up 300%, nearly 400% up. So this is a video to say that you guys have to be patient. You have to be patient. We're going to find out where exactly we're expecting the next leg to go at the end of the video, so make sure you're paying attention. But you don't just go from half a cent all the way up to 50 cents or $1 or whatever you guys' targets are that you have personally, right? It doesn't just work like that, okay? We were getting this thing at under $1 billion market cap. It was like $200 million market cap. We were getting it. It's now 1 billion, guys. So you have to be patient, and there's been a lot of people in my Patreon who I've been speaking to, doing one-on-one calls with, and a big focus has been we be patient, we ignore the crowd, we ignore all of the noise, and we focus on what we're focusing on. So if you guys are focusing on Jasmy, and that's a big part of your portfolio, focus on Jasmy. Has it hit your price targets yet? If you said it's going to 15 cents, why are you trying to figure out if you should sell at 2 cents? Okay. And now, while you may be wanting to juggle bags and you're seeing all these AI coins pump and you're thinking, do I just sell my Jasmy now? Jasmy is back on a hidden bullish divergence pattern, and the previous pattern like this in the quote tweet, which we'll scroll down to in a second, resulted in a much greater bullish move than originally imagined. So if we start on the first one, we had the bullish divergence here, and then we had a massive pump, and look what's happening right now. Bullish divergence. Are we going to have a massive next leg up for Jasmy? And it would go in line with the fact that Bitcoin is pumping and money flow will start to go into alts again. And a lot of the alts are having their second leg. There are so many alts that had that first leg, and Jasmy was probably like a mid to late mover. Now, Jasmy might be a mid to late mover of this next leg up for the bull run, guys, which is going to be very explosive. You guys need to be taking a seat and making sure you're not trying to catch pumps, because as soon as you try to chase the pump or the new coin that's up 20% for the day, that's where you guys are going to get wrecked and you're not going to make any money. But still, people maintain bullishness, okay? They still do. Jasmy is a sleeping giant. It can boost your profit margin. It has good utility, good community, and good stable developers, okay? So this is another reason why I say to you guys, you just have to hold on to what your bags are. If you're focusing on a set amount of bags, focus on that set amount of bags, because I know a lot of you guys, you come to the video today and you're annoyed because Jasmy is just still consolidating. You guys forget you've got recency bias, okay? You forget how much we were winning over this past 2 weeks, and we still are winning, guys, okay? I look at your portfolio where it was a month ago to where it is now. Let me know if it's up or down for Jasmy. And even Team Lambo here, guys. Jasmy intraday long setup, good to long the breakout of 2.21 cents. The targets will be 2.34 and 2.49. That's if you guys want to do like the smaller 15-minute time frame. Is this 15-minute? It must be. Okay, yeah, 30-minute time frame. I mean, if you wanted to go and check out the trades that we do on the Patreon, we're doing a little bit longer trades than this. 30-minute, 15-minute, even 1 hour. That is still super risky. And again, before we get into the trading view, guys, if you're going to be making the most out of your journey, you need to come and check out the Patreon. There's been a lot of coins that we've been adding that we are super up with right now. We're up hundreds and hundreds of percent. We've got AI, gaming, real world asset portfolios, low cap gems. We've got main portfolios, and then we've also got trades as well, guys, as well as trade training. So again, a lot of the guys in there, they're killing it, their portfolio. Let me actually show you one guy's portfolio trend. You'll see here my boy Ollie, my equity trend after joining the group. Look at that. And that's just from having some one-to-one calls and making sure that we're honing down on our bags and we're knowing areas of focus. This was literally after 2 days, guys. Literally after 2 days. So, look, you can see it right there. Again, go check out the members club. Now, if we come to the trading view, guys, Jasmy, we're down 1% for the day. We're looking at the daily chart right now. We're not looking any smaller because we are in the real portion of the bull market now, guys. The jig is up. Everybody knows that we are in the bull market and we've had our breakout. We just need to be having our breakouts, retest of support, breakout, retest of support. And yes, we've still got targets at 2.5 cents, 4 cents, and 7 cents. And we hit our head on the first target at 2.5 cents, guys. Okay. But look, we are up again. From our Patreon entry, guys, we're up 350%. Even on a pullback like this, we were up nearly 500%. So that's why I urge all of you guys to just be cool. And maybe some of you guys got in at like 1 cent, 1.5 cent, 2 cents, and you're probably panicking a bit more than others. And again, that's why I say once these breakouts have occurred and the multiplier that we're getting is being drastically decreased, just let the coin go. You just let it go. But for everyone else who got a good entry on Jasmy, again, we're still aiming for 4 cents and 7 cents. And then after that 7 cents, we're going to really reevaluate to see if we can get to this 34 cents, which is still over a 10x away from where we are today, guys. But it's just a quick one to say we need to be patient for Jasmy. Yeah, it's going to take turns. It went first. It went before a lot of other AI coins, guys. So let the narrative that's in play now have its time, and then we can get ready for Jasmy's next leg. Don't be sleeping on Jasmy. Now, let me know how you feel about the current market situation. Are you happy that Bitcoin's above 70k? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, it's been Bullish Money. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.